How to link your League of Legends account to Discord. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me VPN Bestnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can link League of Legends to your Discord account. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you can do so on your Discord application, or you can do so on the web browser on your PC on Discord, or you can do it on PC as well. So you want to open up Discord here. Once you open up Discord, what you want to do is, first things, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen that you can see there. Once you tap on the profile, you get an face like this. Scroll down below and you'll find the option that says connections. You can see authorized apps, devices, and you can see connections. You want to simply tap on connections, and you can see I have only my Spotify connected to my Discord. What you want to do is you want to tap on the add option at the top right corner of your screen, and here you want to search in for League of Legends option. If you scroll down, you can see here League of Legends below the Instagram option. You want to simply tap on it, and then it'll take you to the login page. You want to enter in your League of Legends account here, username and password, tap on, and then you want to go ahead and tap on next. And once you do so, your League of Legends account will be connected to your Discord account. So this way you can link League of Legends to Discord. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.